Hello students, welcome to your channel Make Physics Easier by Mayur Agarwal. Today we are going to discuss exercise 4D of Concise Mathematics for ICSE students. So in this exercise 4D, we have miscellaneous questions. So all the identities related to whole squares, related to whole cubes, they will be applied in this exercise. Okay, this will be very important exercise for the concept clearing because this exercise consists miscellaneous question. So I am going to start from the question number 1. In question number 1, we have information if x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0. This information we have, and the second point of information we have x cube plus 4y cube and plus 9z cube is equal to 18xyz. This is the second point of information we have, and we have to evaluate a term, an expression which is given in the question. We have to evaluate x plus 2y whole square upon xy plus 2y plus 3z whole square divided by yz and plus 3z plus x whole square divided by zx. This is the question which we have to evaluate. So first of all, we can see that these terms x plus 2y whole square is in the first fraction, 2y plus 3z whole square is in the second fraction, and 3z plus x whole square in the third fraction. We have an equation. So if with the help of this equation, what we can write x plus 2y as minus 3z. If we displace 3z on the right hand side, then the value of x plus 2y can be written as minus 3z. Similarly, 2y plus 3z can be written as minus x, and similarly x plus 3z can be written as minus 2y. So these are the three values with the help of this equation only. Now what we are going to do, the term which we have to evaluate, we are going to apply these three values. Now look at carefully. On the place of x plus 2y, we are placing minus 3z because in the question whole square, so we are applying whole square upon xy plus 2y plus 3z is minus x, so minus x whole square upon yz. After that 3z plus x is equal to minus 2y, so minus 2y whole square upon zx. Okay, what we have done in this step, these three values which can be formed with the help of this information, we have just applied in the expression which we have to evaluate. Now the square of minus 3z, the result will be 9z square upon xy plus the result of minus x square upon yz, and the result of minus 2y square 4y square upon zx. Now we are going to take LCM. The LCM will be xyz because these three terms can be seen on the denominators. Now xy can be cancelled out xy, so the remaining will be z. 9z square multiplied by z. This will be the first result. Plus yz will be cancelled with yz. X will be remaining. So x square multiplied by x. After that plus zx will cancel out x and z. The remaining term will be y. So 4y square multiplied by y. Now multiply them. The result will become 9z cube plus x cube and plus 4y cube divided by xyz. Now the result from the second information which we have in the question, x cube plus 4y cube plus 9z cube is given out 18xyz. So in the place of numerator we can see that all the terms are same. So we can write them as 18xyz divided by xyz. So xyz can all be cancelled. The result will be 18. So the final result of this expression which we have to evaluate is 18 only. So this is the first question. Now proceeding further. Now we are coming to the second question. You have to learn all the identities first, but before applying identities, like in this question number 1, we have not applied any of the identity. We have just used the information given in the question and the basic concepts of mathematics. Now the question number 2 says, question number 2 is saying if a plus 1 upon a is equal to m. This information we have in the question. We have to find what values we have to find. The first part a minus 1 upon a and the second part a square minus 1 upon a square. These two values we have to find. Now in this question I am going to tell you we are going to use identities. Now for finding the first term a minus 1 upon a. So we know very well there is a relationship between a plus 1 upon a and a minus 1 upon a. What is the relationship? Look at carefully. A plus 1 upon a whole square minus a minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 4. That is the identity which you have learned in exercise 4a. So by using this identity we can find a minus 1 upon a. Look how can we find? Value of a plus 1 upon a is m. So m square minus a minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 4. Okay. Now open the square of m. You can't open the square of this because you know the terms that we have to find value of a minus 1 upon a. 4. You just transferred 4 on the left hand side and transfer a minus 1 upon a whole square on right hand side. So both sign will be changed. 4 is positive, so it is becoming now negative, and this term is negative, that's why it becomes positive. Now we have to use square root because we want to remove whole square sign. So this is the complete value of a minus 1 upon a. Why we are using plus minus? Because we know very well if any number is getting square root. Suppose we have to find square root of 4, then the result will be plus minus 2. Why? Because positive 2 square will give you positive 4 as well as negative 2 square will also give you 4. So that is why we are using plus minus sign over here. So that is the final answer of the first part. Second part we can see that a square minus 1 upon a square. If we apply the identity, so in first bracket we can write a plus 1 upon a. In second bracket we can write a minus 1 upon a. A plus b, a minus b. Now use the values. Plus a plus 1 upon a value is m only, and a minus 1 upon a plus minus square root of m square minus 4. M square minus 4 in the under root cannot be solved. So the final answer will become m square root m square minus 4. That will be the final answer of a square minus 1 upon a square. So in this question, one identity we have applied here and one identity we have applied in the second part. So this is the question number 2. Now we are going to discuss question number 3 of exercise 4D. So again I am repeating, you have to learn all the identities very well, then only you can easily solve the questions related to expansion chapter. Question number 3 is also very easy. Question number 3 is saying, in the expansion of this expression 2x square minus 8 x minus 4 whole square, what we have to find? Find value of coefficient of, we have to find the values of coefficient of part 1 x cube, part 2 x square, and part 3 constant. These three terms we have to find in this question. So now look at carefully. The term is given 2x square minus 8 x minus 4 whole square. So what we can do? We can apply a minus b whole square identity in the second bracket. The identity of a minus b whole square says a square plus b square minus 2ab. So same identity we are going to apply in the second bracket. 2x square minus 8. First a square, so x square. Secondly b square, that is by 4 square minus 2ab. So 2 into x into 4. That is the opening of the second bracket. Now simplify that. It will become x square plus 16 minus 8x. Okay. After simplification of this bracket, we get this value. Now we have to multiply. So 2x square will be multiplied with all the three terms of the second bracket, and then minus 8 will be multiplied with all the three terms of the second bracket. 2x square with x square, it will become 2x to the power 4. 2x square with 16, it will become 32x square. 2x square with 18 minus 16x cube. After that minus 8x square. After that minus 16 is 128 and minus plus 8 is 64x. So all these terms we are getting after the multiplication. Now arrange them. 2x to the power 4 minus 16x cube, positive 32x square, negative 8x square. So the result will be positive 24x square. After that plus 64x and minus 128. So this is the final simplified term. Now we have to find coefficient of x cube. So we can see that the coefficient of x cube is minus 16. So the first answer is minus 16. Second part, the coefficient of x square, that is positive 24. And the third part, constant term, that will be minus 128. So look at carefully. In this question, we have to just apply only one identity which is written here, and then we have to multiply very carefully and then write all the coefficients. When we are going to write any of the coefficient, then their respective signs are very important. Like in this, x cube has minus 16. Sometimes students forget to write about the sign. So they will not get any marks until you will not write the proper sign. So this is question number 3. Now proceeding further, we are coming to question number 4 now. If you want to solve all the exercise without any problem, then you have to learn the identities and also along with logical reasoning you have to apply. Question number 4 is saying x square plus 1 upon 9x square is equal to 25 upon 36. And we have to find the value of x cube plus 1 upon 27x cube. So look at carefully, beta. We can see that in this question, the information which we have, that is in term of square, and the term and the expression which we have to find, that is in term of cube. So it is not directly possible to find the value of this term with the help of this. What we are going to do? First, we find the value of single term, single part term, x plus 1 upon 3x, because we know that x square can be written as x whole square and this can be written as 1 upon 3x whole square. So with the help of this information, we are going to find the value of x plus 1 upon 3x. So look at carefully. X plus 1 upon 3x whole square. What will be the result of this? So we have to apply the identity of a plus b whole square. What is the result? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So just apply. So here you can write x square plus 1 upon 3x whole square plus 2 into x into 1 upon 3x. That is the result of whole square of this term. Now you can simplify it. X square plus 1 upon 9x square plus x will be cancelled out. Result will be 2 upon 3. The value of this term is given 25 upon 36 plus 2 upon 3. Now take LCM. The LCM will be 36. 25 will remain same. 3 divided by 36. The result will be 12. And 12 to the 24. So the result will be 49 upon 36. But that is the value of x plus 1 upon 3x whole square. And we have to find x plus 1 upon 3x. So what we can do is square root of 49 upon 36, which give you the result plus minus 7 upon 6. That is the value of x plus 1 upon 3x. Now, for finding this, we have to apply one more identity. What identity we are going to use? A cube plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube, a plus b whole cube, that is, and minus 3ab a plus b. That is the identity which we are going to use, a cube plus b cube. Now this can be written as x whole cube and this can be written as 1 upon 3x whole cube. So if we compare these two questions, in the place of a we have x and in the place of b we have 1 upon 3x. So we can write it as x plus 1 upon 3x whole cube minus 3 into x into 1 upon 3x, and after that x plus 1 upon 3x. So that is the complete identity. The value of x plus 1 upon 3x is 7 by 6. So 7 by 6 cube, x will be cancelled out and 3 will be cancelled out. So minus the value of x plus 1 upon 3x is again 7 by 6. Okay, so 7 by 6 whole cube. 7 cube will be 343. 6 cube will be 216 minus 7 by 6. Take LCM. 216 will be the LCM. So here we can write 343 minus 6 divided by 216. 36 is the result. So 7 into 36. Multiply it. 343 minus 252 divided by 216. Now minus them. 3 to 1. 34, 9. 91 upon 216. And along with plus minus sign. Why we are using plus minus sign? Because the answer is plus minus over here. So plus minus sign also comes with 91 upon 216. Either we have two methods. If we have any confusion, then we can apply 1 times 7 by 6 and 1 time minus 7 by 6. That can also be done. Or directly we are using plus minus. That can also be written. Okay. So we have two methods. Because we have two values of x plus 1 upon 3x. One is positive 7 by x and the second is negative 7 by x. So if you are doing 2 times to find the value of this term, 2 times you can solve also, or you can directly use plus minus sign. So this will be the final answer of the term which is asking in the question. So in this question we can see that the value of cube terms has been asked. But first we have find the value of x plus 1 upon 3x means single power. Then with the help of this value, we have found the value of x cube plus 1 upon 27x cube. So this was question number 4. Now let us come to question number 5. In each question, there will be some difference because we are solving an exercise which has miscellaneous question. So in each question, we have to change the logic a little one. But the use of identities can make our logics easier. If we have a concept, then we cannot wait for solving. Question number 5 is saying if 2x square plus 1 is equal to 5x. That is the information given us. We have to find two terms. We have to find first x minus 1 upon x and second x cube minus 1 upon x cube. So now look at this question only. In this question, first we have to simplify this one. Then only we can proceed. So look at the question, how can we proceed? So we can write it as x square plus 1 is equal to 5x upon 2. Now just divide it by x. So x square divided by x, 1 divided by x and 5x upon 2x. So here x will be cancelled and here 1x will be cancelled. So the value of x plus 1 upon x has come now 5 by 2. Now this value we have seen in so many questions. With the help of this, we are going to find this. So what identity we are going to use? Look at carefully. X plus 1 upon x whole square minus x minus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 4. That is the identity which we have completed in exercise 4a. So by using this identity, use the value 5 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 4. It will become 25 upon 4 minus 4 is equal to x minus 1 upon x whole square. It will become 25 minus 16 upon 4 is equal to x minus 1 upon x whole square. The result will be 9 by 4. So under root it, then it will become the value of x minus 1 upon x. So the final answer will be plus minus 3 by 2. That is the value of x minus 1 upon x. Now for finding the second part, x cube minus 1 upon x cube. Now we are again going to use an identity. The identity will be x minus 1 upon x whole cube plus 3x minus 1 upon x. Which identity we are using? I am writing down here. A cube minus 1 upon a cube can be written as a minus 1 upon a whole cube plus 3a minus 1 upon a. That identity we are using it here. Now from this question has been divided in two parts because we have two values, positive 3 by 2 and negative 3 by 2. So in this case we are applying positive 3 by 2. So this is the working, and suppose if we are going to use minus 3 by 2, so minus 3 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 3 by 2. Now from this side 27 upon 8 plus 3 3 are 9 by 2. Take LCM 8, 27 2 4 8, 4 9 36. So it can become 7, 6, 13, 1 carry, 2, 1, 3 and 3, 6. 63 by 8. Now solve from this side, minus 27 by 8, minus 9 by 2, again LCM 8, same thing 27 minus 36. So the result will be minus 63 by 8. So overall we can say that x cube minus 1 upon x cube can be said as plus minus 63 divided by 8. If you want to convert it into mixed fraction, you can convert. Otherwise, you can leave it such this method also and your answer will be exactly correct. So this is question number 5. Look at this step carefully. Because we have two values of x minus 1 upon x, that is why we have two methods of solution. First time we are applying positive 3 by 2 and second time we are applying negative 3 by 2. But in both the cases, magnitude is same. Only the sign is different. So plus minus 63 by 8. So that is the question number 5. Now proceeding further, we are going to start question number 6 now. Look at carefully. How can we solve this? Question number 6. Question number 6 is saying that in this information is if a square plus b square is equal to 34. That is the first information. And second information, ab is equal to 12. We have to find two terms. In the first term, 3a plus b whole square plus 5a minus b whole square. That is the first term. And the second term which we have to find, 7a minus b whole square minus 2a plus b whole square. These two values we have to find. So now look at carefully. We have values of a square plus b square and ab. But in the expressions which we have to find, we want a plus b separately and a minus b separately. So what we are going to do first, with the help of these two terms, first we are going to find a plus b and a minus b. So look at carefully the steps. First we can write it as a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now the value of a square plus b square, 34, plus 2 into 12, it will become 34 plus 12 to the 24. The result will be 58. So a plus b whole square is equal to 58. So a plus b will become square root of plus minus root 58. That will be the value of a plus b whole square. In similar manner, a minus b whole square can be written as a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 34 minus 2 into 12. So it will become 34 minus 24. The result will be 10. This is the value of a minus b whole square. So the value of a minus b will become square root of plus minus 10. So this is the value of a plus b and this is the value of a minus b. Now what we have to do? We have to just apply these values in the terms given to us. Now just apply the value in the given terms. First term, 3a plus b whole square plus 5a minus b whole square. So look at carefully, 3a plus b whole square, the value is 58 only. Directly, we don't read a plus b, we have to apply a plus b whole square, so that is 58. So 3 into 58 plus 5 into the value of a minus b whole square is 10. So 5 into 10, now multiply. 174 plus 50. So the answer will be 224. That will be the final result. We can say that. And for solving the second part, again 7 a minus b whole square minus 2 a plus b whole square. So 7 into 10, because value of a minus b whole square is 10, minus 2 into 58 is the value. So 70 minus, it will become 116. Now subtract them, the answer will be 6 and minus 4. So minus 46 will be the answer. So this is the method to solve question number 6. In this question, first we have find the value of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Either we have find the value of a plus b and a minus b separately also. If somewhere only a plus b is written, then also we can apply. So there will be no problem. And we have one more method to solve this question, but that method will take long steps, and then also that method can be tried. So let me explain you that question with the different method. So look at carefully now. The second method is saying that According to second method, how can we solve the same question? So look at carefully. The first part is saying 3a plus b whole square plus 5a minus b whole square. Look at carefully. First we use identity of a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. After that a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now multiply them. 3a square plus 3b square plus 6ab plus 5a square plus 5b square minus 10ab. Now 3a square and 5a square can be written as 8a square. 3b square and 5b square can be written as 8b square. Positive 6ab, negative 10ab can be written as minus 4ab. In these two terms, 8 can be taken as common and here nothing is common. So the value of a square plus b square is 34 minus 4 into the value of ab is 12. 272 minus 48. Subtract it. Again, the answer will be 224. So this is the second method to solve the same question. If you don't like to solve with the help of previous method, you can use this method also. Similarly, second part can also be solved like this only. You can say that in the for the second part, 7a minus b whole square minus 2a plus b whole square. So use identity 7a square plus b square minus 2ab. After that minus 2a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now simplify them. 7a square plus 7b square minus 14ab minus 2a square minus 2b square minus 4ab. After that 7a square minus 2a square, 5a square, positive 7b square, negative 2b square, positive 5b square, minus 14ab minus 4ab minus 18ab. 5 can be taken common, a square plus b square minus 18ab. Now use the values. So 5 into 34 minus 18 into 12. Now 5 for the 20, 216. So the result will be minus 46. Okay. So the same result can be formed with the help of this method also. So we can use this method also. We have both methods and both methods are correct according to all prospectus. Okay, beta. So this question can be solved with the help of two methods. So as the method which you feel convenient to solve, you can use that. Because in the examination, and it is not like that if we have understood one method, then we are rigid on that method only. Because during the examination, at that point of view, which method comes in your mind first, that depends. Okay, so you have to understand both the methods. That is the other thing in exam, which method you are using. Now come to question number 7. 7 is also not so difficult. 3x minus 4 upon x is equal to 4. That is the information. We have to find 27x cube minus 64 upon x cube. These two terms we have to find. So we can see that here single power is there and here cube is there. So what we can write it as? Look at carefully. It can be written as 3x whole cube and it can be written as 4x whole cube. Now just apply the identity of a cube minus b cube. What is the identity? A minus b whole cube plus 3ab, a minus b. In the place of a, we have 3x and in the place of b, we have 4 by x. So just use it. 3x minus 4 upon x whole cube plus 3ab. So 3 into 3x into 4 upon x and after that 3x minus 4 upon x. The value of 3x minus 4 upon x is 4. So 4 whole cube. X can be cancelled out. 3 3s are 9 for the 36 into 3x minus 4 upon x again 4. So 4 cube will become 64. So now add them. The final answer will be 208. So you can see that how much short question it is. You have to just keep in your mind this identity and the comparison between the question and the identity. You will definitely get your answer. So this is the method. How can we solve question number 7? So it is not easy sometimes to understand the identity. So you have to practice as much as you can. As much you will practice these identities can be learnt also and their application also. So now we are coming to question number 8. Question number 8 is saying x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 7, and we have to find the value of 7x cube plus 8x minus 7 upon x cube minus 8 upon x. This term we have to find. So look at carefully. In these two terms, we group them 7x cube minus 7 upon x cube. We made them grouping separately. After that, plus 8x minus 8 upon x. Now what will happen? It will give you the result 7 x cube minus 1 upon x cube, and it will give you the result 8 x minus 1 upon x. So basically, our target is to find the value of x minus 1 upon x first, then x cube minus 1 upon x cube, then apply the values, then we get the final answer. But in the question we have value of this. So first we are going to get this one. So what will be the identity of x minus 1 upon x whole square? This is x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. Value is 7. 7 minus 2, the result is 5. So this is the value of x minus 1 upon x whole square. So x minus 1 upon x will become positive negative square root 5. Now x cube minus 1 upon x cube. With the identity, it can be written as x minus 1 upon x whole cube plus 3x minus 1 upon x. So we can write it as root 5 whole cube plus 3 root 5. So root 5 cube can be written as 5 root 5 plus 3 root 5. So the answer will be 8 root 5. Now with the help of these two values, we can apply here 7. X cube minus 1 upon x cube can be written as 8 root 5 plus 8 into root 5. Solve it. 7 8s are 56 root 5 plus 8 root 5. The final result will be 64 root 5. That will be the final answer. If you are going along with plus minus sign, then you have to use plus minus sign both. But then the calculation will become in two parts. One is for positive and second is for negative. Okay, so the answer will be 64 root 5. So you can see that we have value in the terms of a square. First we have find the value of single term power, and then cube with the help of identities, then apply here. Okay, so these are the questions 1 to 8 we have discussed in this video. In the next video, I will help you out how to solve question number 9 to the last one. Till then, watch the video, subscribe and like my channel. If you have any problem, then you can ask.